Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe of a hair oil which my sister makes. Now this hair oil is extremely nourishing. See, everybody wants long hair, but having long hair is of no use if there's no health or volume in it. And now that you are locked in your houses, and if you are somebody who's trying to grow your hair, you can actually use this hair oil. It is extremely nourishing. It will help you cover bald patches if you have any. It will help you with hair growth. It's very moisturizing, and all the ingredients that we have used, every single ingredient has a reason for it to be in it. So if you have all the ingredients, nothing like it. If you don't have any of the items, you can skip it. The base that we have used for this oil is coconut oil. In case you don't have coconut oil, you can also use mustard oil or olive oil, whatever is there in your kitchen. And the ingredients that we have used are mostly found in all households. See, to be honest, genes play a major role in the quality of hair that you have right now, but if you take good care of your hair, then definitely you can take them to another level. Now this hair oil will actually help to nourish your scalp. It will strengthen your roots, and it will actually nourish your hair from roots to tip. Personally, I don't even need to use a conditioner after I have used this hair oil, despite my hair being super dry. Now when you apply any hair oil, please don't overdo it. I have seen people actually applying a lot of hair oil and then washing their hair with a lot of shampoo. It actually ends up making your hair even worse. So don't do that, because your hair is not going to suddenly become better by just one application. You have to be consistent with whatever you are doing for your hair, for your skin, for everything that you do. For it to yield result, you have to be consistent, and if you are consistent with this hair oil, it will definitely yield result. I promise you that. We actually make it every week, so we make it for a week and then we make a fresh batch next week. We like to make it fresh, but you can make it for 3-4 weeks in one go. I think I've rambled enough. Let's get started. I'm starting off by adding 1 cup of coconut oil in a pan. Now coconut oil is great for your hair. It has lauric acid that actually helps to bind the protein in your hair. Thus it will make your hair healthy, and it will also help prevent breakage. It also acts as a good conditioner. Now the next thing that we are adding are onions. Onions are magical for your hair growth, and they help to treat baldness. They also help to treat split ends and thinning of hair. Now I'm also adding in some fresh curry leaves from my garden. Now curry leaves promote a very healthy scalp because they are antibacterial, antifungal, anti-dandruff, and they also treat your scalp infections. They are known to promote your hair growth and control hair loss, and they strengthen and repair damaged hair. Our next amazing ingredient are these black sesame seeds, which prevent hair graying, and they also help to darken your natural hair color and improve the texture and shine in your hair. Now another ingredient are these fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, which are anti-dandruff, and they also help to treat any scalp itching. If you have any infections, they'll help to treat that. Now we'll let it all simmer on low flame for around 5 minutes, and then we'll keep it aside and let it cool down for 4-5 hours so that the oil absorbs all the nutrients from the ingredients that we have added. And after 4-5 hours of keeping it aside, we are straining the oil. Just remember that while you're making this oil, your flame should be on low at all times. Now that we have got our oil, we can add few more ingredients to make it more nourishing, but all these ingredients are optional. I am adding in 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Now castor oil is great for dry hair. It's very thick, and it acts as a great conditioner. Now I'm also adding in 2 tablespoons of olive oil just to increase the nourishment. All these steps are optional. Now I'm adding in 2 vitamin E capsules. Now I'm just quickly transferring it in a glass jar, and you can store it for next few months. If you make it in bulk, we like to make it fresh, so this is our 1 week quota that me and my sister use. So I really hope you like this recipe and I hope you find it helpful. I hope you make it and let me know how it turned out and what results did you get. So yeah, I'm waiting for your response, and please like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.